Have you ever wondered whether the earth beneath our feet might be hiding secrets even more mysterious than the stars in the universe? While humanity struggles to search for alien signals in distant galaxies, could there be another possibility? That aliens have long been living deep inside the Earth, sharing this planet with us. The year 2023 has been called the first year of UFO congressional hearings. The United States and Mexico held hearings one after another. Former Pentagon officials revealed information, and suspected alien bodies were publicly displayed. These events turned the idea of an underground alien civilization from a fringe hypothesis into a heated global topic. Is this just a baseless conspiracy theory, or a shocking truth that has been deliberately hidden? Hello everyone, I'm Yin. Even if you don't like the video, I'll still tell you the story. To discuss this topic, we need to start with an ancient theory that challenges everything we know, the hollow Earth theory. Many people may think the idea that the Earth is hollow is complete nonsense, but would you believe that this idea wasn't proposed by some obscure figure, but the famous astronomer Edmond Halley, the scientist whose name was given to Halley's Comet? As early as the 17th century, Halley boldly suggested Earth was not a solid sphere, but composed of multiple concentric shells, each rotating at different speeds. He even speculated that life might exist between these layers. Back then, this idea was even more mind-blowing than claiming today there's a bubble tea shop on the moon. Not long after, mathematician Leonhard Euler added fuel to the theory. He believed there were massive openings at Earth's poles that led directly to an inner world. This underground realm, he claimed, was illuminated by an artificial sun, forming a complete ecosystem independent of the surface. Sounds like science fiction, right? But these ideas weren't pure imagination. Scientists at the time inferred them from phenomena like geomagnetic anomalies. Although modern science generally agrees that Earth has a solid and molten structure, Euler's polar openings are still claimed by some explorers to have left suspicious traces. Is that really just a coincidence? The first major bombshell comes from a real case recorded in UFO history, the Hill abduction case. In September 1961, World War II veteran Barney Hill and his wife, Betty, were driving home to New Hampshire after a trip. This tall, tough man with an IQ of 140 never imagined he would experience a terrifying event that would change his life forever. Along the way, an oval-shaped object suddenly hovered above them, then descended and landed on the road. A group of humanoid beings with gray-blue skin, large eyes, and long necks opened the car doors and abducted the couple. When they were released the next day, they had been missing for a full 24 hours. Most people believed they made it up for fame, but later evidence left skeptics speechless. Barney's clothes were mysteriously torn. Their heart rates and blood pressure dropped significantly for 2 weeks afterwards. Most importantly, a pink powder was found on Betty's dress. Chemical analysis confirmed it contained no organic compounds. Its inorganic components had never been discovered on Earth before. If this were just a fabricated story, how could such unexplainable physical evidence exist? The second bombshell comes from officially confirmed eyewitness records. In November 2004, former Pentagon pilot David Fravor was flying an FA-18F Super Hornet off the coast of Southern California when he encountered a white Tic Tac-shaped object. This UFO had no wings, no exhaust, no visible propulsion system, yet it performed maneuvers that defied the laws of physics, hovering motionless in midair, instantly diving into the ocean, then shooting back into the sky. Its speed and agility far exceeded all known human technology. More importantly, this wasn't a single eyewitness account. The entire incident was recorded by radar and infrared cameras. The Pentagon later admitted the footage represented unexplained anomalous phenomena. Despite serving on the UAP task force from 2019 to 2021, Fravor was denied access to core information and ultimately became a whistleblower. Another insider claimed the U.S. may have known since the 1930s that non-human activity exists within Earth's core. Could those flying objects be neighbors from beneath our feet? The two hearings in 2023 pushed the discussion to its peak. After the U.S. hearing in July, Mexico's Congress displayed two bodies claimed to be extraterrestrial. Researchers stated this was the first discovery of such a life form. Some verification data was made public. While no authoritative institution has fully confirmed their authenticity, combined with previous events, it's hard not to wonder, if the Earth really is hollow, could these beings have come from the underground world? Of course, controversy remains. Mainstream science argues that Earth consists of the core, mantle, and crust, with core temperatures exceeding 5,000 degrees Celsius, making life impossible. Skeptics suggest the hills may have been influenced by science fiction films of the time, leading to false memories. The Mexican bodies may be fabricated animal remains. Former Canadian Defense Minister Paul Hellyer further complicated the issue. In his later years, he claimed major governments already knew about aliens within Earth's core and had contact with at least 4 species, some living underground or in the deep sea. As one of the few high-ranking politicians to take the topic seriously, how credible were Hellyer's claims? Supporters point to anomalies, strange geomagnetic vibrations, mysterious radio signals from underground, frequent aircraft disappearing near the Arctic. None of them are fully explained by current science. Opponents argue that governments have no reason to hide such things, and these anomalies are simply natural phenomena or human error. As of now, aliens living beneath the Earth remain an unproven hypothesis. There is no direct evidence of a hollow Earth, nor proof that UAP events are linked to underground civilizations. But undeniably, more and more anomalies are challenging traditional scientific understanding. Strange signals from Earth's core, unexplained seismic waves, leaked documents referencing underground non-human activity. These clues resemble puzzle pieces, not yet forming a full picture, but too significant to ignore. What's even more concerning is that many whistleblowers, pilots, officials, and former employees were suspended or silenced after speaking out. Is this about maintaining social stability or hiding an unimaginable truth? If an underground alien civilization truly exists, why do they remain hidden? Are they far more advanced than us and uninterested in contact? Or are they afraid of human greed and warfare and choose to stay away? Ultimately, the core of this topic isn't just whether underground aliens exist, but humanity's curiosity and reverence for the unknown. From Halley's concentric shell theory to today's UAP hearings, humanity has spent centuries inching closer to possible truth. Whatever the final answer may be, the courage to challenge authority and explore the unknown is truly what drives human progress. As technology advances, our ability to probe Earth's interior grows stronger. Perhaps in the near future, probes will reach deeper than ever before, uncovering secrets hidden for billions of years. And the truth behind UAP events may finally surface as more classified documents are declassified. What do you think? When will humanity truly know?